Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I'm checking out this brand new 2026 Salem FSX 169 RKX travel trailer here, built by Forestriver RV. I wanted to take a few minutes here, kind of run you through the inside and outside of the RV, and really kind of show you what this RV is all about. So let's get started on the inside. All right, stepping up into your new Salem FSX 169 RSKX model here. You can see the U-shaped dinette area up here in the front of the RV. This area will make a bed if you wanted to make it down into a bed for a guest. And you also have storage underneath of that from the outside area. You'll see when we go on around to the outside. Overhead, you're going to have the Furrion microwave, a hood range light and fan, and some storage to the left of the microwave area there. This unit was ordered with a ducted Furrion AC. There's also TV hookups up here, so if you wanted to mount a small TV up here, you could do so. Window back there opens. You got an undermount sink, high-rise faucet, thermostat for your AC and furnace over there. Down below you have 6 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers and some storage underneath of that sink area. Propane leak detector down there, and the the auto detect converter box down there, so you could use either like a lead acid battery or lithium battery. It has a little smart thing in there to tell it what you've hooked up to it. 2-burner gas stovetop. Now the Salem FSX is also the sister product to the Wildwood product that Forestriver also makes. They run down the same factory assembly lines built by the same people. They basically just slap some different decals on them so they can give them to dealers closer together. This little table area right here, you can again drop it down into bed mode, but it also kind of swivels around out of the way so you can kind of maneuver it around if you're just trying to get in and out of things to make it a little bit easier for you. There's an electric outlet over there. A window over there does open. USB charger ports also over there. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. The propane furnace down below. You got your fire extinguisher down there. And the 10.7 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator right there as well. 12 volt powered. Some controls over here for your awning, your slide outs, because it's going to have a slide out in the bedroom when we get there. Light switch here also has a dimmer bar on it for some of these dimmer lights up top. Awning light, monitor panel for your holding tanks, Bluetooth connector for some speakers, JBL speakers inside. You also have your solar charge controller. This was the X model, which basically means it was ordered with the Platinum package. So it's got fiberglass sides with an aluminum front, and it has a 200-watt solar panel on it. So you can get this unit with fiberglass or aluminum exterior to kind of save on some money if you don't want to spend the extra on the fiberglass and solar. Step-in shower with the pull-across curtain, ABS tub surround, vent up above. You have a very nice backlit mirror over here. There's the on-demand water heater controls. They're currently using a Suburban on-demand water heater. Right there, you're going to have some storage under your sink. Foot flush toilet. And you have a sliding door there for privacy. Spinning on back around here, we are into the bedroom. So you basically walk through the bathroom to get into your bedroom. And in this bedroom area here, you have a slide out over here. Now there is some storage up above right there. There's electric outlet and USB charger ports on each side of the bed. This bed raises up, so there's storage underneath of the bed as well. Nice large window that opens back there. Roof vent up here. You got plenty of room for a good TV over here. TV hookups there, window opens, electric outlet over there. You have hanging closet on each side of the bed here, or the window there, along with some drawer space also right there. But a very cool, smaller couples style travel trailer here. Got all linoleum floor throughout. Now let's step outside here. I want to show you around the outside real quick. Again, this is the X model, so it's going to have that fiberglass siding out here. So you have a nice roll to the front. So you got aluminum front, fiberglass side and rear. There is a decent sized storage area right here. Looks like this customer is going to go with a Blue Ox weight distribution hitch system right there. Very nice. Check that out. Talk with a salesperson about that. Looking down below right here, you can see front stabilizer jack, a gas line hookup for a portable grill, and it looks like we got an enclosed underbelly underneath of that area as well. Deep tent safety glass windows, large folding entry handle, the heavy duty moor ride step to get you in and out of there. Furnace exhaust out right there, hot and cold outside utility shower, JBL speaker out here, steel wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, electric outlet also out here. They have a power awning with the LED light bar on it. Does have adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head in case of an electronic failure. This was ordered with the spare tire mounted on the back here. Ladder prep in the top right corner right there. So you could use the telescoping ladder aftermarket that you can get. It's a very nice ladder that would allow you to climb up onto the roof and get up there and do an inspection on your seams and your seals and everything. Now I just wanted to hop up here real quick to kind of show you what the roof of one of these might look like depending on how you order yours. But you can see all the way in the front up there, AC, plumbing stack vent. There is a couple roof vents, TV antenna, and again, ordered with the X package. So that platinum package gave you that 200-watt solar panel over there on the right as well. You can kind of see what the top of that slide out looks like over there also. But really, the main point of getting up there is to show you there's a lot of stuff up there, and it's very, very important that you get up there from time to time, maintain your seams and your seals and everything so that your RV will last you for years to come. Now in the top center right there, below that middle running light, it is prepped for the Furrion rear observation camera. That's a very nice camera system that would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. You are going to have the ability, if you want to put a slide out awning cover on one of these things. It's aftermarket item. Talk with your salesperson about it if it interests you. But it is a awning that rolls in and out with the slide room. So it does help shade the room. It repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. Just hopefully making your camping experience a little more enjoyable so you don't have to worry about getting up there and cleaning things off of that slide room before you close it up. Cable inlet over here, black tank flush right here, city water inlet. Now looking down below here, you can see your black and gray tank dumps along with low point water drains as well, and then the freshwater tank drain up under there also. But again, pull the black, get all the nasty out, pull the gray, kind of rinse out the hose and everything. It'll be a little bit more tolerable experience. Detachable 30 amp power cord right there. Gravity fill fresh water goes right in that little black round fitting right there. And basically you go fill up your tank to be able to take water with you if you go to a campground that doesn't have a water hookup. If you're going to a place that has a water hookup, you're probably not going to want to carry the extra weight if you can keep from it, or maybe just put a little bit of water in there in case you need to stop along the way to maybe use the restroom or something at a rest area. Stove exhaust vents right up there. And then the other side of the storage area here, again, this is underneath of that dinette area in the front. Baggage door held up by a magnetic holder. And then you have some real important informational stuff right here. So for example, this RV was built 10/16/25. Had a gross weight, this is the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, 5,665 pounds. Do not exceed that. The dry weight when it rolled off the assembly line with these options was 4,477 pounds with an exterior length of 23 feet. My tire size says it's ST 225 75 R15 E-range tire with an 80 PSI cold. Now it is very, very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. On around to the front side, you can see this one was ordered with a power front tongue jack. Does have a light built in, manual override in case of an electronic failure. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, single 20-pound propane tank, room for a couple batteries to go here if you want to do a couple batteries, and the battery disconnect located down below right there. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Little 23-footer, under 4,500 pounds dry. Is this something you think you and the spouse could go hit the road and do a little traveling with and enjoy seeing this beautiful countryside? Thanks a ton for watching my RV videos, guys. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe, keep up with some more videos. Thanks again.